Hi guys, this is another tips and tricks for Unity. So this one is for the project export or EXE file export. So if you let's say this is one of my project, right? You have everything done, and now you have to now you have to export the project like a exe file, standalone file, or any other platform. So how can you do that? Let's say your file is working properly, like here. Your file is working 100% okay. Okay, your buttons and all the things are working. Now the only thing is needed is to export the thing, export your project. So let's say you go to the file section and you go to the project setting, not build and run. You don't hit the build and run, so it will automatically try to build and run your project immediately. Don't do that. You go to the build setting, and you must check that all of your scene is intact here. All of your scene is like stuck in this, and according to the order. I mean, you have your own scene list, and this is the platform. Okay. So the PC, Mac, and Linux and standalone. So this one is the default, and this is the exe file actually. The targeted platform is the Windows, Linux, and Mac, and also the architecture is 86 and 64-bit. Okay, so that is the 32-bit and 64-bit, and other than all are the same. No need to change, but here you can find several other platform that you can export your project. Like this is the PC, this is the Linux, this is Android, this is WebGL platform. If you want to export your project in a web format, then this is the one. And if you want to export your project in Android, then this is the one, and PS4, PS5, and that sort of things. Okay, but our target is to make a standalone exe file. Okay, so we choose that, and then before doing that, another things I have to mention you, that before doing that you have to check your project settings. Okay, project settings, go the highest quality. In the quality section, the highest quality, you have that. Okay, you have make sure you check this highest quality setup. It it goes in medium quality, by default the medium quality. So you have to click there to make it the highest quality, and that's it. So everything is done. Now only thing is remain to export the project, the exe, to make the exe file. And you have the exit button and all that. Every button is workable, but exit button will not work until you build. Okay, exit button will only work with the exe build section, build version. Okay, so I'm going to export build this project. So go to file and go to build setting, select this PC and standalone, this one, and select this 64-bit Windows, and then build. Okay, build, and then desktop. So I'll prefer the desktop, and make a new folder called building Elite Ilham building EXE or whatever your project name. You just select the folder, the empty folder, and select folder. And as you can see, immediately the building player has been started. Okay, so you have to give it a time for preparing and compiling the project, and as soon as it's done, it will finish. If you are lucky, then without any error, it will finish. Okay, so give it some time. The build speed will depend on your PC power, on your PC configuration. Okay, so you just wait. So it is compiling all the project and making a executable file. Executable file is the type of file that you can click and immediately it will run in any PC or a laptop. Okay, so it's like it's a exe file for PC and laptops. So you can click on the icon and immediately the project will open. No need to open the Unity. Okay, Unity is the editor, but exe file is the project, is the actual project. Yes, so you see there the project has been done, and this is the exe file has been compiled here. So I will just show you what I just did. So here is the build is completed. So you have a section, but please make sure here it looks okay, but make sure that any red item will be very dangerous. If you have any red items, if you have any red warnings, then you have to solve that fast and then hit the build again. But this line as your build is successful. Okay, build complete with a result of succeeded. Okay, this one is the message that your build has been successfully completed. Okay, no red errors are showing. You just go to clear, and then all you have to do is exit the Unity. You have to exit the Unity. Yeah, then all you have to do is find the Delight Elham exe folder, the folder you created. You go there and you find this one. This one is the exe. You see the exe.exe file. This is the executable file, and this is your project, by the way. This is your project, 1 GB, around 1 GB. So you go there and you click there, and immediately the project will start. Yes. As you can see, the project is running very smooth. Okay, and all of the things are working so nice, so nice. All of the top and all the things, all the buttons are working. All the buttons are working. Okay. Okay, all the projects. So your project is done actually. Then if you go to the help menu is working. You go to the credit is working, and now is the exit button. If you click on exit, the project will immediately exit and give you the desktop. So you go on exit and it will immediately come back to the desktop. So that is the exit file. So you go there, click on the icon to open, exit to exit the program. So that's it. Thank you very much.